In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create stunning animations in Canva. We're going to walk through using Canva's built-in animate feature for quick one-click effects, and then move into the more advanced Create an Animation tool so you can control motion paths, timing, and transitions like match and move. By the end, you'll be able to build dynamic layered videos with smooth motion graphics and animated text. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one you want to animate. This can be anything: a social media post, a presentation slide, a YouTube thumbnail, or a video format. Make sure your canvas has some elements on it like text, shapes, or images so you have something to animate. Now let's start with the simple built-in animate feature. With your design open, click once on an element you want to bring to life like a text box or an image. At the top of the screen you'll see an option called Animate. Click on Animate and you'll see a panel appear with different animation styles. These can include effects like fade, rise, pan, pop, tumble, and more depending on your design type. Move your mouse over each effect to preview how it looks on your selected element. When you like one, click it to apply. You can also adjust how the animation behaves. Look for settings like on click, on enter, or on exit if they are available for your design type. This controls when the animation plays. From here, repeat the same process for other elements on your page. Select, click Animate, Preview, and Apply. This is the fastest way to add clean, simple animations in Canva. Next, let's move into more custom motion using Create an Animation. With your element selected, open the Animate panel again. Look for an option called Create an Animation. Click that and Canva will switch you into a more advanced animation mode. Now you can click and drag your element across the canvas to create a motion path. Start by placing the element where you want it to begin, then click and drag it to where you want it to end. Canva will automatically draw a path and create keyframes between those positions. You'll see the path on the screen and a small play button so you can preview how it moves. If you want a curved path, drag your element in an arc instead of a straight line. If the path doesn't look right, drag the element again to adjust it until the motion feels smooth and natural. Now to really refine your timing, let's use the timeline with Show Timing. At the bottom of the Canva editor, switch to the page where your animation lives and look for a button or option that says Show Timing or a similar timeline view. Click it, and you'll see a horizontal bar for each element on the page. These bars represent when each animation starts and ends. Click and drag the ends of a bar to make an animation shorter or longer. Drag the entire bar left or right to delay when that element starts moving. This lets you stagger animations so elements come in one after another, or stack them so several things move at the same time. Play the animation to check your timing, then tweak until it feels smooth and intentional. From here, let's combine elements using transitions like match and move to keep motion consistent between pages. If your design has more than one page or scene, duplicate a page that has elements you want to animate across pages. On the page, thumbnails on the timeline or sidebar, hover between two pages and click the plus icon to add a transition if it appears. Choose a transition like match and move. Canva will look for elements that appear on both pages and smoothly animate them from their position on the first page to their position on the second. This is great for moving a character or graphic across scenes, or for creating seamless text transitions. Finally, explore Canva Pro features for even more advanced motion graphics and text effects. If you're using Canva Pro, you'll see extra animation styles in the Animate panel, especially for text. Look for more complex text animations like typewriter, bounce, or dynamic motion styles that make your titles and captions stand out. You can layer multiple animated elements, combine standard animations with custom paths, and use the timeline to sync everything together. Experiment with different combinations of element animations, custom motion paths, page transitions, and text effects to build dynamic, layered videos that feel more like professional motion graphics. When you're happy with your animated design, click the Share or Download button, choose a video format like MP4, and export your animation. Now you know how to use Canva's built-in Animate feature, the Create an Animation tool, Show Timing, Match and Move transitions, and Pro effects to create stunning animations in Canva.